Been nice knowing you, Keith.
So what we have here is a aggressive hive. See the bees landing at me, they're not happy with me. I ain't happy with them either. Neither one of us is happy. Chances are I'm gonna get stung. We're gonna look at them. Anyway.
I'd say chances are if he gets stung, you're gonna see me walking backwards.
Shoot, baby, shoot. So if it gets stung one time, it's over with because it's a big scent goes out. You gotta know when to run. You gotta know when to hold and when to fold.
And somebody's gotta go back and get their phone.
I'll get it in a minute.
So I would say this is gonna be the tip of the day. If you know it's a hot hive, don't go in it without protection.
Without smoke at least.
Yep. 'Cause we don't have a smoker or nothing. Double mark that one so you know next time.